3 grocery hauls and 3 meals. Harp's Haul. This was one of my trips to Harp's. I was picking up some of the basics we needed, along with a few things I had planned for meals. I grabbed cabbage, cheese, bread, and several other groceries. I had an idea of what I wanted to make, but I still was trying to pick out things that would end up lasting longer, and so this is what I'm going to end up making. One of the meals I made was the cabbage skillet. I started with, of course, cabbage, peppers, and other ingredients. I did forget the onions, but I won't next time. And I cooked everything together until it was nice and tender. And, of course, we had to add some of that fried bologna. Sometimes the simple meals are some of our favorite. Now I have a 10-box meat haul. I was mainly looking to stock up on meat for the freezer, and I ended up spending $48.51. Here's what I brought home. I picked up several kinds of meat, so this should give us quite a few meals to work with. And one of the things I made with these boats is I used some of the stuff from another haul, the squash. And also, I want to mention that I found their meat was $5 for $19.95, which is cheaper than Harp's. But I started cutting the squash in half, getting them all ready to fill. Then I put the ingredients in them and got them ready for the oven. After baking, this is what they look like coming out of the oven. And here they are on the plate. These turned out really good, and it was a great way to use the squash. And our last grocery trip was at Walmart. This was another one of those trips where I picked up a little bit of everything we needed for the house and some meals. Looking at everything we bought, I knew we had plenty to work with. And so I decided to make some banana nut bread. So I decided to go ahead and make the banana nut bread so the bananas wouldn't go bad, and add some pecans. And once everything was mixed together, I put it into a pan and got it ready for the oven. And after it was baked and cooled, I cut into it. There is nothing better than homemade banana nut bread. Then for dinner, I also got some potatoes going. And while the potatoes were cooking, I made some gravy to go with them. And here's the finished dinner. We took the groceries from our shopping trips and turned them into another homemade meal. And here are the 3 meals we made. Which one would you choose?